I can clearly vouch that companies like TCS is very safe because you see they are very lenient towards their employees, and if they face a situation like this, they will always try to protect the rights of the employees, not just by giving them pink slip. Hello friends, Pradeep here. And in this video, I'll be giving you 6 important tips to protect yourself, to equip yourself, and to familiarize yourself whether you will be safe in this current pandemic. All right. The current scenario has not only affected human body, it has not only taken lives, but it has also affected business in a very big way, which is directly affecting the jobs. A lot of people are losing their jobs. So I thought about making this video so that I can tell you 6 important tips which you can apply, which you can take to ensure that you remain safe in this current scenario, and check whether you are into the safe zone or not, or whether you will lose your job or not in the current 3 to 4 months prior. All right, so let's get started. Now, before I begin, I would like to say that if you are into business, if you're thinking of starting your business, or you are already into business and you're not able to scale it, you can go to the link given in the description box below, fill up the form and submit it, and me or any of my team member will approach you and we can have a discussion one-on-one, and we can find out ways in which you can scale up your business and reach a certain level that you are expecting. All right, so with this, let's begin with the 6 tips. The first tip is that you need to know where is the geographical location of your company. With geographical location, I mean to say that you need to find out where is the primary location of the company. Where is the primary branch of your company located? If it is located in countries like US, Europe, then you are not into the safe zone, because in those places, companies are shut down. All the businesses are not operating at all. So if your primary place of operation, if the primary place of operation of your company, which is providing you salary, is located in US or Europe, then you are in a difficult situation. So keep watching all the other tips, and you can apply any of the other tips to help you out. All right, so this is the first tip: find out the geographical location of your company. The second tip is that you need to find out the area of operation, the industry in which your company is working. Find out which industry your company is serving, because if you see, some of the industries are operating but others are not. If you talk about industries like pharmacy, general equipment, food items, all these are operational. So if you are into these, then you may be safe. Even e-commerce and video industries like video conferencing industries, online marketing, these are safe industries. All right, some of them which are not safe is tours and travels, hospitality industry, airlines. These are very badly affected industries. So make sure, find out which industry you are serving, and this will actually help you keep yourself safe and protect yourself from losing your job in the current 3 to 4 months. All right, so these are the 2 tips. The third tip is about the value system of the company towards its employees. What is the value system? The value system is the opinion of companies relating to its current employees, how it is dealing with its employees. That is one of the value systems which will determine whether you will be safe in your job or not. All right, various companies have different value systems. If you talk about some of the companies which are very lenient, others are not. I can clearly vouch that companies like TCS is very safe because you see they are very lenient towards their employees, and if they face a situation like this, they will always try to protect the rights of the employees, not just by giving them pink slip. If you talk about other companies, it may not be as safe as this. So I can clearly vouch that Tata Sons, under which falls the TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, is a very safe company to work for. All right, so you can also find out the value system of your company by discussing with the previous employees, the old employees who are already there. who are already working. I'm sure that this kind of situation is already faced by them in the previous days, in the previous years, and these employees, old ones, can actually tell you how the company handled this situation previously, earlier. All right. Fourth important tip, which is you need to find out the cash reserves of the company, how rich the company is, and how much excess cash reserve the company has. The more excess reserve it has, the better it is. You cannot naturally find out the cash reserves by discussing with your boss or somebody in the higher management, but you can clearly check out the company financials in the company website. If it's a public listed company, then you can easily go to the company website and find out the financials and check out the cash reserve. If it is high, then you are still safe. All right. This is the fourth one. And the fifth tip is you need to find out how your company is making money. In fact, how your clients are making money. What is the business model of your client? Okay, this is a very important thing. A lot of people will say that why I don't need to care about my clients because I'm into the accounts, I'm into back office, I may be into some other department, operations, or I am into research. So I would say that if you don't do it earlier, you need to do it now. Okay, because if you don't understand how your client is making money out of you, then you are not into the safe zone. If you haven't done it earlier, you should do it now. If you're into marketing and sales, you will know it clearly that the company's business model is totally dependent upon the client, and how the client is making money is very important. All right, if you are not serving value to your clients, then why should the client pay you money, which indirectly is responsible for you receiving your salary? Okay, so your salary is totally dependent upon your client being impressed by your company's work or not. All right, so this is the fifth tip. This final tip is you need to know how your boss is operating. Know your boss. Know your boss is the final tip that I would suggest you. If every boss has some expectations from its employees, you can do a proper nice analysis, need, interest, concern, and expectation of a boss. Usually, technically, if you just try to impress a boss, it's not going to work. You need to know what are the expectations of a boss and how you can fulfill it, and how you can provide value to your boss asking work out of you. All right, because if you do, your appraisal, your performance appraisal, annual appraisal is dependent upon him. So if he gives you good ratings, then you are safe. And if he's not really good, if he's not really impressed by your work, then you may not be into the safe zone. So I hope this 6 tips can help you protect your job in the coming 3 to 4 months, which is going to be a little rough, because I'm sure a lot of companies will close down, a lot of businesses will go down, and a lot of people will be losing their job, unfortunately. But apply these 6 tips and you might remain safe to a certain extent and help yourself and family from financial pressure that might encumber on you. All right, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you really do. If you're watching this video for the first time, I suggest you hit the subscribe button, because I will keep bringing to you informative videos relating to sales, marketing, business, and ways how you can increase your income in a better way. All right, so with this, I end this video. Bye from me now. See you next in the coming video. Also, share this video with your friends and family if you think this can be helpful for them, or this can help them to save their job currently due to the scenario that is happening. All right, so with this, I say goodbye.